Hey everyone, it's Timah, and so I received like several requests in regards to what the next video you guys want to see inside of the community post on YouTube. And a majority of you said that you wanted to see me cooking some greens. So that's what this video is going to be about. So right now I'm outside and I'm going to be foraging for some greens. Now this could be any type of greens that you want to cook. Get your favorite type of greens and let's get to it. So these are looking quite yummy. Yeah, so we're just gonna get a real good bushel of some greens and we're gonna put these together. So let me go and get my bag and I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of this. Isn't that a beautiful tree? This is a very beautiful tree. I forget the name of the tree, but that is such a beautiful tree. Okay, so I got a lot of greens, so now I'm about to go in and we're about to take care of this. We're about to do this thing because greens, they're good for your heart. The more you eat, the better you feel, the more you pass gas and all that type of stuff and clear out your system and yeah, let's go. Oh, look at these. These are even nicer. Look at these leaves. Oh, we can do some wraps with those. Look at that. Alright, so we have our greens all cut up. And they could be any greens. Just have your greens cleaned and all cut up. And then you have your ginger. And then these are going to be your onions. So I'm going to use my red onions and I'm also going to use some shallots. Next, you want your water to be at a really good rolling boil with some salt in it. So yeah, you want some slightly salty water. So while the water is at a rolling boil, we're going to take our greens and put them all down in here. So we're just going to push all of our greens down into the water. And then this is going to be on the eye for 5 minutes at a rolling boil. Let's get a lid popped on there. We're going to leave that lid on for the entire time. Alright, now, while I have my greens on the eye, I have my water turned on because I want it to be really cold for when my greens are ready to come off of the eye, because we're going to put them right inside of a strainer up under the cold water and it's going to make them stop cooking. Now, you're not going to throw away the broth that comes off of those greens because you can use those in various things. You can actually use it as a broth, a base for some soup. You can use it inside of like different smoothies. You can use it in your green drinks. Use it in various ways. That's going to be really up to you how you want to use it. Just don't throw it away because there's a lot of minerals that just went right down inside of that broth. My greens have been on now for 5 minutes. See how nice and green they still are. So let's get this eye turned off. And now I'm about to get my dipper. Okay, so I bring my pot over to the stove with me. Then I just take my greens. And I dip them out. I'm only using one hand, and so I'm going to dip my greens out. And now I'm just going to take them and put them over inside the cold water. And this is going to keep them, stop them from cooking down more. So I'm heating up my oils, maybe about one and a half tablespoons of some oil. And then I'm going to put my ginger and my onions inside of here just until I start to really smell the onions, and the onions are going to be translucent at that time, and you'll really start smelling that ginger. It is time for the onions and the shallots and the ginger to go in the oil.
Yummy.
So I put in just a little bit of the water from the greens. And this is because I'm going to put something else in here. Alright, so in goes my playful shrooms. That's just a teaspoon. So the greens are already cooked and cut up. So now it's just a matter of putting them in here. And they're going to add just a little bit more water. And we're going to get them stirred around. So really right now, this is just a matter of just warming your greens up now. This is really done. Here you go. Greens all done. Still holding on to their color and the nutrients. And then that juice, like I said, you can just take that, drink it down, use it as a broth, use it inside of whatever you want to use it for. You're all done. The only little thing left to do is to eat them.
Yummy.
Yummy. See how green they still are? That smell better.